Hello, we've got here a Panasonic NV3000 portable VHS recorder for use with camera. It's got a video fault, but it's also developed an intermittent mechanical fault. We'll see whether it'll play or not. There, it's not loading up. You should be able to hear motor going, but it's not loading. And fast forward works, but it doesn't stop correctly, and that's not doing anything. If I turn it off, that's what it should do when you press stop. But I think that's belts, because belts that are on it are quite old. I've not changed them. I don't know how long they've been on there for, probably since 80s. So I'll change belts and hopefully that'll sort that out. And then we'll be able to see video fault, which will take a bit more sorting, I think. So these are the belts. There's this reel belt here, capstan belt. That's a capstan motor. This is flywheel that's got the capstan shaft on it, and this belt drives the reels. These are loading belts. So that's the loading motor. It transfers drive to that, which then transfers it to this. Put a tape in and connected it to battery. I'll just see what's actually happening when we try to load it. Let's fast forward. Stop. Switch it off. That runs and then runs back again, and it clicks. I don't know if it is belts or not. If I turn it on, if I press play, loading motor doesn't actually even start, just capstan motor runs for a bit and then that's it. So it were a bit different then. That's not doing anything. Maybe it's belts, maybe it's just can't complete the cycle. It's getting confused or something. I don't know if it's supposed to do that sort of crunching noise. See, that kind of moves across, clicks against the teeth of that cam. So maybe it's out of alignment, but it's strange, it were playing alright. I suppose I just have to change belts and then see, and at least they'll be ruled out then. Right, I ain't got a proper belt kit for this, so I'm gonna have to just make do with what I've got. So I might not be able to change. I don't think I'm gonna be able to change that, but I should be able to change this and this capstan belt. But I think that one's alright anyway, because rewind and fast forward work pretty good. Stuck. So they don't even seem in that bad a condition, these belts. They don't, you know, they've still got quite stretchy, and you know, they're not cracked or out. No, it's still doing it. I've been having a look at it, and I think what might have happened is that like the mechanisms slipped out of time. Probably with like belt slipping, it's slipped and it's, I don't know, it's gone out of time somehow. Maybe I'll have to sort of take it apart and have a look. It tells you in service manual how to time it. Oh. Right, I've had a look at the mechanism timing, and you have to remove this and that to get to this cam gear and these other gears, and it's all lined up, it's all aligned properly. So I'm going to have a look at the system control circuit and see what's happening there.